Hello everyone. Today we're installing our exclusive U-Haul Smart Connect trailer wiring on this Audi Q5. If you're going to tow a trailer, you're going to need wiring. It is required by the law. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Most trailer wiring kits require cutting into your vehicle's wiring, splicing connections, and hoping everything works correctly. Smart Connect is different. It connects and integrates directly with your vehicle's factory system. That means no wire cutting, no guesswork, and no risk to your vehicle's electrical system. Just a clean plug-in connection designed to work exactly the way your vehicle was built. We start by accessing the factory tow connection point, typically located in the rear cargo area. Expose the adapters so you can plug in your Smart Connect. This is where the Smart Connect trailer wiring stands apart. A direct plug-in connection, no cutting, no splicing, no tapping into wires. Replace the foam over the factory connections. Use a 10mm socket to remove the fastener on this grounding point. Place the ring terminal of the white wire over the post and reseat the fastener. Insert the provided relay into the relay port. And now insert the Smart Connect module onto its connector. Use double-sided tape to mount the chip and relay to the vehicle body. You can mount the relay to the front of the chip. Affix the chip to the vehicle body. Now decide what to do with your 4-flat connector. It can be left in the cargo area for maximum protection of the 4-flat connector, or it can be routed to the vehicle bumper and placed on a bracket. If you do want to stretch it out, the vehicle's weather stripping will keep it safe, and you can keep it hidden in the cubby on the off chance that you need it. For the rest of us, let's go ahead and take a look at how to route it under the bumper. Our Smart Connect trailer wiring includes a rubber grommet for passing through of the vehicle. Let's take a look at where this is located. Remove the vehicle flooring. This forward piece can be lifted from position. Gently lift up on your scuff panel. Remove 2 cargo hooks. Use a small screwdriver to open them. Use a T40 Torx or a number 6 Allen head to remove this fastener. Lift this trim piece out of position. Remove this electrical adapter. Lift this piece of foam out of the way. We'll now slide this piece of foam out of the way. Lift up on the trim, give yourself a little clearance, and the grommet is right here. Use a flathead screwdriver or needle nose pliers to remove the plastic plug. Pass the 4-flat connector underneath the trim. From here, we route the wiring safely to the receiver hitch, keeping it clear of heat and moving components. Now pass the 4-flat connector through the fascia to the receiver tube. One of the biggest advantages of Smart Connect on this Audi Q5 is that it's already built for more. Our exclusive Smart Connect trailer wiring is easily adaptable to the 7-way socket of your choice, with the 3 functionalities being pre-wired into the harness. That gives you access to trailer brakes, reverse signal, and auxiliary power without redoing the installation. So if your towing needs grow, you don't have to start over. However, our customer only wants the 4-flat wiring, so we're going to go ahead and mount it on an Expert Towing Products receiver bracket. Put on your dust cover before mounting it into the bracket. Be sure the opening faces forward. Use a 10 and 11mm tools to tighten this hardware. The connector is mounted for easy access, giving you a clean, professional finish ready for towing. Slide the grommet down the wiring to replace the plastic one we previously removed. Now reinstall all the interior trim components. Smart Connect is engineered to communicate with your vehicle's onboard systems, so you won't deal with error codes, flickering lights, or inconsistent signals. Traditional wiring taps into your vehicle. Smart Connect works with it. You get factory-style performance, a faster installation, and a solution built to last. That concludes our Audi Q5 installation of the U-Haul Smart Connect trailer wiring. Dealership-style wiring without the dealership hassle. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.